Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm going to show you a wonderful recipe using corn on the cob, and I'm going to make a nice onion sauce that will go on it, and you can serve it as a starter or you can eat it any which way you like. So to make this onion sauce, I'm going to heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, I'm going to saute 3 finely chopped onions. I'm going to saute the onions till they're nice, soft and pink. I'm not going to let the color change. I want my sauce to be nice and white. The onions have become nice and pink and soft. Now I'm going to add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. 3 teaspoons of this. So for this I took 1 inch of ginger, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and 5 green chilies. I ground it to a nice fine paste. Now to this I'm going to add some cashew nut paste. I took about 10 to 12 cashew nuts. I soaked them in warm water and I've made it into a nice fine paste. I'm going to add this to the onions. Saute it till the oil separates. Once you add the cashew paste, reduce the flame to a medium or a low because we don't want our cashew paste to get burnt. And now I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cream. Mix this well. I'm going to add some salt. Our sauce is almost done. Let us shut the flame and then let's squeeze in some lemon juice. Half a lemon is good enough. The sauce is cooled down. I'm going to grind this to a nice fine paste. I'm going to just pour this sauce out in a bowl. Here I've already boiled some corn. I took 2 corns. I cut it into 1 inch thick slices and then I boiled them with salt. Now I'm going to place this on a serving platter and I'm going to pour this sauce on it. Sprinkle some chaat masala. Just sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander. Some chilli flakes to add a little color to your dish. And now I'm just going to dig in the toothpick so it's easy for us to pick up the corn on the cob and have it. So our corn on the cob with an onion sauce is ready. The vibrant colors, the yellow, the green, the white and red is looking awesome. The dish is definitely going to taste good. So do try this recipe and let me know. For such interesting recipes, keep watching Get Curried.